Hi guys, today I will make you this one was I have a Fidget toy. About yet, please subscribe now. Okay, let's do this. With this on the this I on this. Then on the puppet, this one again on the keychain. See? You know what? You get this on the pineapple keychain. Puppet. You know what? You get this a puppet. It doesn't sound like the sound. All you gotta get is to make it something. That's simple. The butterfly and heads again and pineapple. This one is now second one. Just wanna get this Fidget spinner done. Let's open it up. Yeah. Very good. This Okay, how easy opening this. I want to get an easy opening this. Oh, to get it back here. Let's open it up. This will be good. Oh, oops! I get this. Oh, this guy this on the keychain. Oh, this one. This one the Fidget spinner. Circle Fidget spinner. Now pop it. So satisfying. It's like the Fidget on this one. Now second one. This one is squishy ball. This one again. Let's open it up. This on a green one. And then yellow one. Okay, good color. Red one. Just get the squishy. I don't know what to get this. It's like smile squishy. That's very angry. That's right. That's right. This is space. I was like this. Looks like this is not this on a squishy. This on like the squishy. Now this one, the second one. I had this on the mangoes, but this one open it up. It's like the rainbow. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Oh, what's this? This one a red one, the purple one. It's like this. I know this is so satisfying. It's like this is spinning. This is okay. Okay, that's the biggest we get. Okay, bye bye. This is please subscribe now if you can like the video. Okay, let's do it. Bye bye.